Say, this is William here, going to give you a tip, a hack for business, right? There are lots of things you can do with your money regarding advertising, marketing, and SEO and promoting your business. But not everything you should just because you can, okay? Not just because everybody's doing it, maybe the kids, the big guys, everybody else you might be seeing doing it, but maybe it doesn't apply to your business. Maybe you need to concentrate more on pay-per-click. Maybe you need to do some Facebook ads. Maybe you need to do some YouTube ads. Then maybe you should also invest in SEO, but it's your job to look into it. Just realize that all these gurus out here, most of them don't have your interest in heart. They're not looking out for you. There's only one person that can look out for you, and that's you. You're responsible for your investments, what you do with your money, and how your business succeeds, right? Maybe it's a harsh assessment. Maybe that's something you haven't thought of, but you need to.